Hello everyone and welcome to Purpose Bling Girl Boss. My name's Natoya and I'm here to help you grow your paparazzi business to 1K and beyond. So in this video, I am going to get a little vulnerable and I am going to tell you what you should do if you are terrified, like anxiety, everything, shaking, terrified to to let people know that you are actually starting a business and you're just like worried of what people think of you starting a business and worried about people making fun of you. I mean, we're all human and this is kind of how the human mind works. We kind of think crazy things and when you really think about it, it's a little crazy. So let me tell you guys, I was super duper afraid to let my friends and family know that I was starting a paparazzi business for a number of reasons. One, because it's pretty much a network marketing business and I didn't want them to think that I was being like scammy when I just made a video about is paparazzi a scam, and it's clearly not. But I was worried about them thinking that. I was worried. I had so many worries, like, would they think, oh my gosh, how can Natoya start a business? Would they think, oh my God, she's selling $5 jewelry? All these things I was worried about. So let me tell you what I did. I decided that I don't care. What I did was that, let me backtrack. Okay, so what I did was I started a new Facebook, which I don't recommend because then I had to create whole new relationships with new people when I could have just created. I already had relationships with people on my Facebook, and then when you do a live and then people see other people purchasing, then they feel more comfortable to purchase as well. So I could have had my friends purchase. So it was just like it was a little bit of a delay. I do not really recommend you start a new Facebook page unless you're super duper scared like I was, then do it. So yeah, what I did was on my new Facebook page, I was like, I cannot be controlled by these fears. So what I did was I shared my live on my new Facebook page onto my old Facebook page with all my friends and family. And I just wrote, hey guys, I started a new business. Here's my video, and that's it. And that was it. I just ripped it off like a band-aid, and I let everybody know. And honestly, no one really cared. Hey, it's the truth. No one really cared. The people that wanted to purchase jewelry. Most people were just like, okay, cool. People thumbs up the post. I had a few friends like, okay, cool, nice, Natoya, but it was just another day. It was just another day. And that's the point of this video. I'm trying to let you know it's just gonna be another day. So do your Facebook Live, sell your jewelry, and make some money. So guys, this was a short one, and be sure to watch my videos on Paparazzi 101. I'm doing videos I created a playlist with a ton of videos. Okay, it's not a ton, but I created a playlist, and every week I'm going to be adding more and more videos of the beginner paparazzi terms, phrases, so you guys can get comfortable with your business and ultimately feel confident starting your paparazzi business. And if you would like to start your paparazzi business, please do click the link below. But before, send me a message. I'm totally willing to chat. We can talk all about you starting your business and set some goals and all of that jazz. So until next time, everyone, please do subscribe. Hit the notification bell because I do videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And I'm looking forward to getting to know you guys. Bye.